Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to take this opportunity to thank the International Conference on Language and Art Across Cultures, ICLAAC, Committee, for being willing to publish our research. On this occasion, we would like to present our research entitled The Story of Growing Up in Indonesia, an ethnographic study of the Indonesian Chinese. Nikomang Aryani Esos M.Hom and Srinita Krishyana Wirya Atmaja SSMM. We present this research. Both of us come from Universitas Pamulang, South Tangerang, Indonesia. James P. Spradley, 2006, argues that language is a tool for constructing reality. The perceptions of Indonesian society about Indonesian Chinese people was not formed in a short time, but through a long history. In fact, this has started since the Dutch colonial era. As stated by Professor Dr. Ada Hana, that the Netherlands applies a politics of segregation. Chinese people are classified into the foreign East, which distinguishes them from the natives. It cannot be denied that friction between Indonesian Chinese and Indonesian non-Chinese still occurs, even though the integration is getting better. For this reason, researchers want to broaden the view of Chinese people life from childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Khalifa and Suyatnya stated that qualitative research has three main keys, namely, taking facts based on the understanding of the subject, the result of detailed and in-depth observations or thick descriptions, and trying to find new theoretical results that are far from existing theories. Through the definitions above, it can be explained that the method used in this research is ethnography. In this study, the researcher used ethnographic method to explore and telescope the story of growing up. According to James P. Spradley, ethnographic research aims to find the meaning of actions from events that happen to people we want to understand. A number of meanings are conveyed through language. The present study conducted a series of friendly interviews with 3 informants who come from 3 different generations and live in 3 different locations in Indonesia. The findings stated that although the 3 informants, David 25 years old, Eddie 58 years old, and Sunli 43 years old, came from different generations, they still experience ethnic bullying in their process of growing up in Indonesia. The bullying included the mention of Chinese, slanted, pig, AQ, and China Loleng. 3 decades apart didn't hinder Devi and Eddie to face ethnic bullying in their childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Sunli experienced better childhood and adolescence in Bangka, where the economic and social gap between Chinese and non-Chinese is not too apparent. Yet, he faced more ethnic bullying after living outside Bangka. As the conclusion, Devi Juliana Sutejo, the first informant, her childhood during 2000s until 2006 experienced bullying through calling the pig, mocked as slut, and being stomped on the neck after school. The second informant, Eddie Gunawan, also had experiences that were not much different. In his childhood during 1970 to 1975, he was bullied by the mentions of the word slanted, Chinese, and Chinese Loleng. A different story came from the third informant, Sunli Thomas Alexander. This Bangka-born informant experienced quite a comfortable childhood and adolescence. Considering that in Bangka Belitung, the percentage of ethnic Chinese is quite large, he only felt discriminations after migrating outside Bangka. Through this research, we suggest that the government can design a process of getting to know each other between ethnic Chinese and other members of society in Indonesia. Okay? Thank you. This is our research. Thanks for watching.